Every step we take, every movement, carries untapped potential, kinetic energy waiting to be harnessed. Imagine if that energy could power your devices without plugging in, but how does the human body translate motion into electricity? Let's break it down. Back in the lab, researchers were racing against skepticism. They built clunky prototypes that barely worked. Sometimes they failed spectacularly, but those early missteps paved the way for something revolutionary. Kinetic energy isn't just a concept. It's already powering small devices around us. From wearable chargers to experimental floors, the science behind converting motion into electricity is getting.
I'm about to test whether everyday movements can really generate enough power to charge a small device. This isn't just theory, it's the kind of tech that could change how we think about energy. But first, let's see if it works in practice. But what happens when this tech becomes mainstream? Imagine stepping on a floor that captures your stride to power your devices. Convenient, but at what cost to our privacy and energy efficiency? It's not just about replacing cables, it's about rethinking how we generate power in an era where sustainability meets surveillance. What if your daily movements could power the devices you rely on? This isn't just about replacing charging cables, it's about reimagining how we generate energy. But before we dive into the possibilities,